Skul Springside Secondary School Sohra. Kadai kawai nak skul ke belasang ha usnam kat kendai spa kendai pupra. Ha Pdengshnong Sohra. Ha ke basdang belasang ya katai ke skul lapli tang ya ka kerdan kelas nursery batang saungur ki kena ke bilawan ban pulih ha katai ke pur batang iwai ino hikai belah hikai yaki. Ha kanai ke skul lah hikai om tang yaki kot pulih henrei lah hikai rengkat ru bat ka kor kaburom. Kisnem kilanang telon stand kanai ka skul ru kilanang ki usya ka kerdan luwa primary apa primary bat syadu ka kerdan secondary bat kat hadu emta jong uneus nem arhajar arpulai kanai ka skul kalayo ban pha hadu kanai teli kibatch ban yakun yaka SSLC examination embus harengkat kaburom bakine kena kilawan ra yaka tei ka skul lengba ka jingle bha ka jongki yaki exams namar usin yang hakitiar bakane ka skul kalano dei tat haka kendai tarik ujemang jong usnem arhajar arpulai baka skul kala penwai no yaka jingrakhi ba arposan snem umojam bakane ka skul kala syakri yaka tei ka dong bat kathan hi barokoi yaka bala penlong yaka jingrakhi yaka tei ka skul nadu men haka arpon riu tarik unailar jong usnem arhajar arpuar haka jing don rengkat lang iba Kevin Melim MLA Sohra bar iba titos khan kom usmbur kongsan. Haka tei kasni kendai tarik ujemang jong usnem arhajar arpulai kebalong kasni penwai no ya kecing rakhi arpson snem kecing tap ka skul Springside na yo ban pelat ya ka souvenir jong ka skul da IMLA ka Sohra constituency ba Kevin Melim ibalong ukongsan haka tei kasni haka jingder kat lang isembur kongsan ba AR yaw pniaw SDSEO Sohra rang ba snong kadong Pdengshnong iba Richmond Thiang bat i presiden ka skul Springside Secondary School Pastor RR Kongkrom Direktor EB Kom lapan telun ya ke program da Imes Island Dam bar Imes Eskshire layo ban pulih ya ke history jong ka skul na Imes B1 Rap Executive Church Education Board layo ru ya shibun ki jing pensung tenar na ki kena skul bat kino hikai ki bala penbit penbiang haki benta ba pher na benta ka tei ka sni kraw ka jing penha perdano ya ka silver Jubilee.
Now I would like to present a brief history of Springside School Sohra, which is compiled by the president of the school. Springside School Sohra was established in 1997 with a vision to serve the people by offering quality and value-based education at an affordable cost. With a great concern, I have brought forward this vision in the meeting of the few leaders of the church on 4th May 1997 at Sohra, in the presence of Evangelist Bin Suklang Kongsder, pastor in charge of the New Testament Restoration Church Sohra, late Sri Batai Singh Ding Do, local church secretary, and Deacon A. Kumarlin Kongsdam. Late Sri Champion Taryang, Sri Jean Lingdo Nonglat, and Sri P. Nyota, the senior members of the church Sohra, were the first office bearers of the school, were selected as Chairman Apostle Ribbon Roy Konggram, Secretary Deacon A. Kongsdam, Treasurer late Sri Batai Singh Dingdo. The school started in a small rented house at Pdengshnong Sohra with only 4 students, joining for class nursery, in which Miss Miola Lindra was the first teacher who served the school with a minimum honorarium. In the second year, the school grew in numbers. As a result, Miss Bawan Sukpa Santiu joined as supporting teacher in the school. In the following years, as student numbers increased, classes were shifted to the NTRC church building and ultimately to the permanent campus of the school. The school now has its own land donated by the Dorbar Pdengshnong Sohra. Majority of the students who are studying in the school have come from Sohra and nearby villages with a very low economic income. Deacon A. Kumarling Kongsdam, BADO, and late Sri Batai Singh Dingdo, former headman, were among the pillars of strength for the school. The school managing committee, along with the education board, NTRC, under the guidance of Bible teacher Srimati B. Wandram, executive secretary, have been working hard towards all-round development of the school. Pastor Lamboy Soklet, former acting principal, also had his influence in promoting the school to its current state. With the coming years, the school slowly but steadily started growing from the nursery level to the current secondary level of learning. In the year 2015, the school sent its only one male student candidate, Kemenlang Marak Kharbuli, as the first candidate for the Class 10 board examination conducted by MBOS. Kemenlang became a hallmark in the history of the school, where he was able to secure first division with distinction in Khasi and health education. Since then, the school had sent many more students for Class 10 board examination, in which results were quite good. The school from its inception had many challenges due to inadequate fund. The members of the congregation were the first of its financial supporters, sponsoring the teachers, the school requirements, etc. But in the year 2010, under the initiative and directive of Sri K.T. Pasantiu, Block Mission Coordinator Sohra, under SSA scheme, the school could avail the sanction for 5 SSA teachers, that is 2 SSA teachers for LP and 3 SSA teachers for UP. Also, the SSA office had granted the building grant to our school. In the year 2022, through the helping hand of Sri Given Milim, the local MLA, the school received 2 additional classrooms from the government. In addition, the local MDC, Sri T.W. Khan, CEM, has also helped the school to procure some government grants. The school is currently having 12 existing teachers, 5 sponsored by the SSA, and the rest by the school managing committee. The school, as we now see, is due to the team spirit of all students, teachers, parents, and the management. Deacon Reming Star Maulong, who is the current secretary of the SMC, has given heart and soul into the development of the school. Also, Sri Pinbhapat Wanrak, the head of the institution, along with the teachers, have shown the good efforts in bringing the teaching quality within the school. The school strives to train the students not only in knowledge, but also to open a platform to showcase various talents, encourage and develop team spirit, build confidence, and prepare the students to deal with life challenges and work towards its success. The school also inspires students to compete in various school sports and participate in other curriculum activities. The school equips the students with moral support, self-discipline, and wisdom to become leaders of future in the society. To commemorate the Silver Jubilee celebration, the school organizes a one-year program commencing from the opening ceremony on 26 August 2022 with activities like indoor and outdoor games and many more to be ended at the closing ceremony. All glory to God. Apostle Reuben Roy Congram, President, Springside School.
For every common race. Jatangmu jika kurangku hai gemat jangan kuat sakit mungkin kuat mendida kuat benang bangkoknya utro wajib menatap san atau kuselatna tolong cina emak sungsang leba onina pauna halaki rompam halaki I'm